Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the Amazon Basics Adjustable Tension Curtain Rod. The ultimate solution for your shower or any room needing a stylish, hassle-free curtain rod. This tension rod isn't just any rod, it's the best black shower tension rod available. Let's break down why. First off, it's adjustable from 36 to 54 inches, making it versatile for various spaces like shower stalls, bathtubs, and windows. Made from lightweight yet sturdy metal with a sleek black finish, it blends seamlessly with any decor. The 1 by 3 inch finials with ABS end caps ensure a secure hold without drilling or damaging your walls, and it can support up to 7 pounds. Plus, installation is a breeze, no tools required. Compared to other tension rods, this one stands out for its quality construction and affordable price point. It's available in multiple sizes to fit your specific needs, from smaller spaces to larger areas up to 54 inches wide. The ability to adjust without tools makes it perfect for renters or anyone who wants a quick, effective curtain hanging solution without hassle. Don't just take our word for it, check out these video reviews showcasing how easy it is to install and how well it holds up in real-world applications. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable, stylish, and easy-to-install tension rod for your shower or home, the Amazon Basics Adjustable Tension Curtain Rod is your best bet. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the link below to get your own Amazon Basics Adjustable Tension Curtain Rod today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Until next time, happy shopping!